Among the following measurement factors, which does not belong to the group of variables that relate to the cognitive ability of the learner? Would this be letter A, computational skills, letter B, logic and reasoning, letter C, manual dexterity, or letter C, series sequencing? Kapag sinabi pong cognitive, cognition, that is pertaining to your brain, di ba? So mental processes, mental prowess, okay? So kumbaga katalinuhan ang ibig sabihin ng cognitive ability, no? So which does not belong, hindi kasama sa paggamit ng utak, ng logic, ng reasoning. Of course, tumpak na choice po natin here is manual dexterity. Okay? So kapag sinabi po kasing manual, ayan na naman, ako, yung mga himas-himas na naman po ito, no? Sa mga fingers, manual dexterity, the fingers and the hands. Sana all magaling humimas at sana all magaling sa paggamit ng kanilang mga daliri. Okay? So that is letter C, manual dexterity.